Hi, my name is teacher Janice Casiano, and today's mini lesson is going to be about phonemes B and V. The objectives of this mini lesson, student will be able to pronounce the B and the V sound. Student will be able to differentiate between B and V initial sound, and student will be able to correctly produce and identify the B and V initial sounds by matching minimal pairs. The context: I'm currently working at the Jesus Maria San Roman School located in the municipality of Carolina. The school is within the Villa Carolina Third Stage Extension urbanization. Near the school, we have a housing complex, and the largest population of the school come from that sector. The focus of this lesson will be for first graders. This is one of the groups that I teach. It is a group that lacks basic reading skills in their native language. For this reason, the English class for them is a challenge. Unfortunately, most parents do not speak English and have no interest in learning it. This same mentality is what they have transmitted to the students. The general average regarding the grades is mostly C, D, and F. As for the students, and the proficiency levels are low. English is one of the most difficult and the most needed subject. These students are in the phase of recognition and in the identification of the letters of the alphabet. They know the alphabet song, but they can't identify them. On the other hand, they are in the process of beginning to read in Spanish, without forgetting that they come from virtual education that many of them did not constantly connect to classes. The standards and expectations that we're going to use for this mini lesson are listening, discriminate, participate, recognizing, and explore, with the listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, and writing skills. Let's start with the sound B. B is a phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that make a difference in meaning or that change one word into another word. For example, bat, oh, bat, and we have the image of a bat. Let's see this video in order to recognize or start recognizing the initial sound of consonant sound B.
The B sound. B, bird. B. B sounds B, as in bird. A small bird is sitting on the tree. B in ball sounds B. Let us play with this ball. Look at this word, B. The letter B in B makes the B sound. How to make the sound. First, press your lips together and push air. Next, open your mouth and let out the puff of air to make the B sound, as in bird. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Click on the letter that makes the.
And we have an example on how to recognize if we are pronouncing correctly the B sound. We can put our hand on our neck and make the sound B and it's gonna be vibrating like bug, bug. So let's start practicing, and we have practice number 1 with the initial consonant sound B, and we have, if we put our hand on our neck, bird, bird, and we see the vibrating bird, bee, bee, and also we have ball, ball, and bug, bug. Now we are going to continue with the sound of B. B is a phoneme, and it's the same of the other consonant B. For example, ban. And now let's see a video of how to recognize the initial sound of B.
How to make the sound. Put the tips of your top teeth on the outside of your lower lip. Push air out of your mouth to make the V sound, as in van. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter V and make the V sound, as in van. Click on the letter that makes the V sound. Vase. Click on the letter that makes the V sound. Valley.
So let's continue with practice number 2, and we have volcano, volcano, vase, vase, violin, violin, and valley. And when we pronounce these words, the air comes out of our mouth. We have the first activity, recognize the initial sound. The instructions, listen for V and V sound and choose the initial consonant for each word. Color yellow if it's V and color green if it's V. So now I'm gonna read the words that we have on the image, and you're gonna have to select. If it's V, you're gonna color with yellow. If it's V, you're gonna color with green. And we have ball, ball. It's gonna be green, green, or yellow, ball. Best, best. Banana, banana. Ban, bacon. Vase, broom. Vampire, balloon. Now let's go to the next activity. We're gonna have B and B minimal pairs. The instruction, identify the correct match for each image. Listen carefully to the teacher to recognize the initial sound of each image. And we have boat, so we have to select which one is the correct answer, boat or boat. And we have another image, and we have to select vote or vote. So we continue. We have few exercise, and last activity, the final activity, the tongue twisters. We're gonna practice the pronunciation of the phoneme B and B, and we have 3 type of exercise that we can practice. For example, Betty loved the velvet vest. The students will practice until they get a correct pronunciation. And additional resources that they can practice writing skills and also identify the correct initial consonant sound, and also 2 links that have a presentation of phoneme B on Google Slide and phoneme B on Google Slide too. So this is for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.